Hello guys, I'm introduced to you our 3 glass door refrigerator. As you can see here, this is how it looks. This unit, the height is 83 inches high, the deep is 30 inches, and the length on this is 78 inches, okay? It also comes with wheels. They're inside the pallet, so you can move it around. You can easily move it around inside your place, okay? If you see down here, it has this panel. This is to adjust the temperature. You can adjust it from 31 Fahrenheit to 41 Fahrenheit. So here it has the adjustments for the fan and for the temperature as well. On here it has the on and off switch for the LED lights inside and the top of the unit. And the red switch on and off is for the whole unit to be on or off, okay? So that's how it looks. As you can see here, it comes with the 3 glass doors. If you open it, they automatically close. You don't need to push it, just let it go and it'll close by itself, okay, for all 3 doors. It comes with 12 shelves. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves on each door, so a total of 12, as you can see in there. And then, as you can see in here, it comes with 4 fans inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, for the circulation of the cold, okay? Let me show you on here. If you can see here, it comes with the sticker with the specs, and just to let you know, it is NSF certified by the health department, so it's certified already, okay? That's how it looks. Let it go the door. And this is the refrigerator, how it looks from the front, okay? The brand of this unit is called Cooler Depot. That's the brand. Its manufacturer company is called Shin Refrigeration. You could Google the manufacturer on Google and you'll find more information about the manufacturer online, okay? Follow me to the back and I'll show you the electrical. It's a 110, 120 connection, so you could just get it and plug it into the wall and you're good to go, okay? It'll start working right away. The weight of this unit, it weighs about 600 pounds, so it's heavy, guys. Really good quality. This unit, the refrigeration that it uses is R134A Freon. That's the Freon number, okay? And the amperage for this unit is 14.5 amps, okay? So 14.5 amps. So yeah, guys, just to let you know, this unit, if you order it online, it should take anywhere from 6 to 7 business days for delivery. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We can help you out. Thank you guys for watching. This is the 3 glass door refrigerator.